Really excited about the possibilities that we have on this project to deliver something sustainable. And we've thought about it since the outset. And I just want to talk about another development that we're doing at the moment. So it's a development in Gloucester. It's a development of 19 units, 12 houses and 7 flats. We're putting ground source heating in that development. And so that's a very efficient way energy efficient, but also carbon efficient way to heat properties. And so we're going to look at similar technologies here at this development. So we are just going through a study at the moment, but to work out exactly how it's going to work technically. But the intention is to put ground source heating into the ground. So that involves a series of boreholes. The way that it works is that a refrigerant is put through those boreholes, and in essence it uses heat in the ground to heat the building in winter. The system can be run in reverse in summer, so as to cool the building, and that runs all off electricity. You don't need gas or anything for that. The electricity to run the system can be provided by solar panels, and we're also planning to include batteries within the building so that the electricity from the solar panels can be captured, and then when electricity is required at night, it can be fed from the batteries. There's also some very clever technology that we're planning to use, which involves cooling the solar panels by running water over them. Solar panels run more efficiently when they're cooler, and that heated water can also be used for hot water for the building. And so what we're aiming to do is to make the whole building energy neutral and carbon neutral. So in other words, although it will be connected to the electricity grid, it shouldn't need to draw any electricity off it. It would only need to do that if the systems in the building failed for any reason. In essence, what the ground source heating does is it cools the ground slightly during winter as the building is heated, and then it warms the ground up slightly during summer as the building is cooled. And so in effect, the ground acts as a big heat sink, and you are using that inherent heat within the earth to actually cool and heat the building. So the other thing that we're doing to make this a really green project is we're including 2 roof garden areas which will be green. So they're called the green lungs of the project. So there'll be trees, there'll be landscaping up there, there'll be shrubs. And so the idea is to actually, rather than just have these sort of faceless rooftop areas that nobody uses and that are just bland, we want to include greenery and vegetation within the development, so that so as to continue to build on the sustainability of it.